Hello, today we're going to talk about perimeter. Perimeter is a lot of fun. It is the border of an object. So if we were going to talk about the perimeter of my board here, the border of the board, we would be talking about the lengths of the sides here, what the total measurement of these sides would be. So if I had a tape measure, I could measure how long this is. This looks like it'd be a little bit longer than a ruler would probably be about to here. So we would add this, let's say it's 15 inches plus 12 inches plus 15 plus 12 would give us the perimeter of this object. I'm going to go ahead and draw a square. And I want to build, let's say I have this square, this is my backyard, and I want to build a fence, and I need to know how much wood I'm going to need to build the fence. So, let's say I measure it, and we have 10, oh, of course this doesn't work, 10 feet. This side is 10 feet. Since we have a square, we know that this side is 10 feet. Down here is 10 feet. And then over here is 10 feet. So with a square, now you can only find a perimeter for a closed object. Closed object. So our polygons of squares and rectangles and trapezoids and triangles, we can find the perimeter of all of those shapes. We can't find the perimeter of a circle. We can find the circumference, but we can't find the perimeter. But we can find the perimeter of the square here. So we have 4 sides, so there will be 4 addends. 10 plus, meh. Just like when we're in school, my markers don't work and I go meh. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Or we have 4 groups of 10, which would be 40 feet. So now I can go to the hardware store and say, hey, I need 40 feet of fence posts so I can build my fence. Now, now let's say I have a rectangular yard. Again, I'm going to have 4 addends because I have 4 sides. Let's say that this side is 12. This one is 4. So this would be the same length as the top here. So this would also be 12. And then this side would be the same as this, 4. So we have 12 plus 4 plus 12 plus 4, or 12 times 2, which would be 24, plus 4 times 2, which would be 8, which equals 32. And we didn't say our unit of measurement. Let's say centimeters this time. These are all centimeters. So we would need 32 centimeters of whatever to build our fence or border of this shape. So I'm going to upload a really simple worksheet on perimeter. I think you can write right over it on the app. This is our first attempt trying this. So on the worksheet, you'll see irregular shapes. But again, just remember, however many sides there are, that's how many addends you're going to have. So you'll see shapes that look kind of something like this. They're not simple squares or rectangles. So this would be considered a side up here. Can you see? So let's say that this is 1 centimeter, and then we got 1, 2, 3 centimeters here. And then we got 1, 2, 3 centimeters here. We'll say that this is 2. This is 2. And then this would be 1. So now I've got to add 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, because as you can see, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. 6 sides to this shape. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 add-ins. So if I add these all up, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, and 11 plus 1 more is 12. 12 centimeters. Dun, 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 dun. So this is how it will look on your worksheet. You can write directly over the worksheet, or if you would like to, if you have graph paper and you want to copy the shapes or number them on the graph paper and do it there. Seesaw's pretty cool because you can, like I said, I'm pretty sure you can write directly on the template that I'll put up there, or you can write it on your piece of paper and then you can take a picture or make a little video of the work that you do and upload it and share it like that. So all these cool different ways we're learning about technology and learning together. So I hope you enjoyed that brief lesson on perimeter. Please contact me if you have any questions, you need clarification, you're not quite sure. Wait, what with perimeter? If you want to investigate it more, you want to make your own shapes, you want to find the perimeter of your bedroom, get your tape measure out. Measure. Use centimeters or feet, or inches. And find the perimeter of your bedroom, living room, kitchen. Go outside and measure the perimeter of your house. Sky's the limit. So that's your challenge follow-up work after the worksheet. Have fun.